Hi everybody. Today I have the Chic Beauty Box for February-March 2024. This is a bi-monthly box. I purchased a 3-box subscription, and this is the second one of the 3. Oh, it's got the Valentine hearts. That's cute. It's a Chic Beauty Box. Some of these items I chose myself because with this box it's all makeup and you get to choose from the selections that they offer for that month. So some of them I chose myself, and then others I wasn't sure which one might work for me, so I let them choose based on my profile, because you do fill out a profile when you subscribe. Okay, the first one that I see that they chose for me is the Physicians Formula Rose All Day Petal Glow. This is a highlighter. Let's take a look at it. Can I open that side? Yeah, there we go. All right. It has a beautiful rose on it. That's pretty. Let's see how it looks. It's a nice coppery type color. Very pretty. Okay, so they chose that one. The next item, Beauty for Certain. This is a blush. And we had a choice of 3 different colors, so I chose this color. This one is called Fiery Coral. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, that's pretty. But you know, just last week I ordered a coral blush from Undone Beauty, and I believe they're about the same color. Let me go get it and compare the two. I guess I'd forgotten about the color that I chose for this. And this is the one from Undone Beauty. They are pretty similar. I guess it's just the texture, because this one goes from sheer to medium to intense pigment, where this one is the same pigment throughout. But that's okay. I like blush. I like coral, so it's all right. There's the color right there. Oh, that's a beautiful color. Oh, I like that. I'm glad I chose this color. It's very nice. And this next item is the Project Lip Plump and Fill Lip Liner. I had actually chose the Laura Geller concealer, but I suppose they ran out of that, so they substituted it with this, which is okay. I mean, I have plenty of concealer. I just wanted to try the one from Laura Geller. So let's see how it looks. The color looks promising. Try it on this hand. There's a lipstick maybe. It's a nice pink. Okay. And then this one, we had a choice of colors for this Physicians Formula Slim Brow Pencil. And I wasn't sure if the taupe or the medium brown would work better for me. So I let them choose the color based on my profile, because I couldn't actually see the pencil in person. Oh, it has a spoolie on one end. This color doesn't look too promising. Let's see. I don't think that's going to fill in my brows very well. Doesn't look like that will work for my brows. It's kind of light. Okay, it's there, but I don't know. I'll play with it and see what happens. And finally, we had a choice of this NARS palette or an eyeshadow palette from Ace Beauty. So I chose the NARS palette because in last month's box we got a palette from Ace Beauty and I wanted to try something different. I wanted to try this NARS lip palette. It comes with a brush. Wow. That is so pretty. I love the case and the nice little brush. So I want to swatch some of these colors on my hand because I'm not sure how they look in person. There's a little lip brush. Okay, let's see. These are the colors. Oh my, that's nice. All right. These will probably all look the same on me, but I would definitely get use out of these 4 here. Let's just go ahead and swatch them up. Start with the lightest color. It's a pretty pink. It's just sort of light. I would have to mix it and play with it to get the color that I want. Clean that off. Okay, and then the next color. It's pretty much looking like the first one on my skin tone. Okay. All right, let's try the next one. I'm cleaning the brush off in between the colors just so they don't get muddy. This is the 3rd color. That's a little bit different. It's kind of has some, this one has a little bit of, what is it? Coral maybe? Slightly different. It might be a little more pink or more of a warm pink. Yeah, this one is more of a warm pink. Okay. And then we have this gorgeous red right here. Wow. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, lovely red. And then we have this deep rose color. I think this one might be the one I was looking most forward to trying out. Oh yeah, that's nice. I'm sure this will be the first one that I actually wear. I'm excited to try that out. And then there's this deep burgundy color right here. Ooh, pretty. I like that too. Nice dark red. A little bit of purple. Mostly red. And then this final color is really dark. Wow. Yeah, this has a lot of purple in it. That's beautiful. So those are all the colors of the lip palette swatched. I like that. You could even mix some of these colors together too. Create your own kind of lip palette. Or use one of these as a lip liner and then this one in the center. That would be nice. Okay. I have to clean this brush off. Before I put it back into box cleaned off. I'm using this It Cosmetics brush bath. It works really well. It reminds me of Cinema Secrets, but it doesn't have that strong smell. But it does a good job of cleaning the brushes. And if you're curious about my nails, I created this look using the Beetle's mystery bag from Beetle's Gel Polish. I'll have that video up pretty soon. All right, so for this month's Chic Beauty Box, we got the Physicians Formula Highlighter, Rosé All Day. We got the Beauty for Certain Blush and Fiery Coral. That's right there. We got the Physicians Formula Slim Brow Pencil. It's looking a little bit darker now. I don't know. It might work. We'll see. We got the Project Lip Plump and Fill Lip Liner. That's it right there in the middle. And we got the NARS Lip Palette. All these beautiful colors. And lip brush. So that's everything that I got in the February Chic Beauty Box. Thank you for watching. Bye.